it out.
I'm not revving it max, bro.
Imagine if you rev it out. What's going on YouTube? I'm back at again with another video, and today's video is sponsored by maxpeedingrods. As you can see, they sponsored this video. They sent me a toolkit. What do you call it? As you can see, this is a plastic puller. So when I want to take plastics off my car, they've sent this to me. If you're interested in anything from their website, the link's going to be in the description down below, and I'm going to show you right now some of the things that they have on their website. As you can see, they sell a lot of performance parts, any parts you need, crankshafts, you know, turbochargers, coilovers, anything you can think of they sell. So make sure guys you check them out. They do for a lot of variants of cars. As you can see, they do BMWs, Audis, Vauxhalls, everything. So guys, check them out, okay?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Let's go, fam.
I'm not gonna do it like that. That's
Energy though, fam. Energy.
The camera's probably distorting.
Nah, man.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? And I'm back at again with another video. And today I'm in a Polo GTI. Get it right? What's going on YouTube? I'm back at again with another video. And today's video is my friend's Polo GTI right now. Man's got a new car. I was like, bro, I gotta get a feature on it, bro. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man. Here we go.
So, man, you get me?
It's a stroll, bro.
Yeah. Just cool off for now.
Yeah, man. Nice. It's a nice car, guys. Proper nice. So, especially now the radio's on, you can hear the little exhaust.
Exactly.
As well.
Yeah, you can hear it now. So. That's the casual route. Casual route I take her now. Shit! Yo! Yeah, the thing goes in there. Yeah,
the friend's gonna drop out the...
The friend's gonna... Tighten that up, bro.
Tight. It might fly in my face. Nah, it gets going, man. Up in the revs, this thing gets going. Like up here, bro, Fiesta man was going nuts. Hey, come on. You know what? This feels kind of similar to the Fiesta. So all of the cars feel similar.
Yeah.
Like this feels similar to mine. Fiesta, like I think turbo cars just feel the same.
Yeah, nah, I hear you.
See, now you got a bit of wheel spin there, innit?
Yeah, you saw that. It was I had to kind of
that's fun. That's fun. I see you're shifting now, bro.
No,
are you saying no? I'm saying, but quicker car, quicker shift.
Oh yeah, no.
You're shifting quicker. I'm not telling you to shift. I'm just saying.
No, I hear what you're saying. Yeah. No, of course, bro. Because before it was just a bit like.
Yeah, there's no point.
Yeah, bro. Do you know what I mean?
Where are you gonna go, bro?
I was just cruising around.
Go out there.
Yeah. I was just cruising around. Should I go there?
I was going straight down there. And came back around.
Yeah. That's what I mean. Before I was just kind of cruising about. There wasn't really much like. There's no power, bro. So there's no point just kind of like giving it all that.
Thing gets going, bro. So from a 1.2, what's it like for you?
Yeah, bro, it's a big difference. You definitely feel it. That's what I mean. As soon as I jumped in the car, you can feel the difference from a 1.2 to this.
That's how I felt as well.
You know what I mean? Yeah, you probably,
you could just probably like go on the way back to like going to your gaff and that. It's still good road on that way.
Yeah, literally, bro. From the difference from the 1.2 to this. As soon as I jumped in it, you can tell, like, like even if you just like you put your foot.
You're not even revving it out.
I'm not revving it max, bro.
Imagine if you rev it out now. You're literally just making the turbo kick. It kicks in strong then, bro. The turbo kicks in. The turbo kicks in strong. If you're only doing it to like 4.5.
That's what I mean. I'm not like pushing it.
So
I'm not even pushing it too hard like that. And it's still going.
Nah, bro, I see it. It's got big potential, bro. Definitely, it's got big potential. Obviously, a bit at a time.
Huh?
A bit at a time. You say it's kicking. So what rev would you say it starts to kick in?
I say just after 3, innit? Like using it for, I don't even like think about it. Well, I'm in gear 4 now, I've got about 2,000 revs. If I was to put my foot down now, it start getting good. But then after, once I hit about 3,000 revs,
It starts going. That's quite nice.
That's nice, isn't it? That's
Yeah,
nice.
remember you wanted that GTD one?
I wanted the the GTD. But the thing is with them diesel, I don't want the diesel car. Too much.
Yeah, definitely.
But
always
that's why, bro. You hear that?
Yeah. Man like Josh, bro. You say they're the fast thing now. You joined the club. Yo, I say you joined the club. Nah, that's why I didn't keep my car for long, bro. I only kept it for like a year, bro. Just for my waiting a fast car, I just wanted a fast car. Well, you getting shook. What? Did you put it in sport mode?
No, it wasn't in sports mode.
Mine said you're driving it not even in sports mode,
No,
bro.
it's not.
Yo, what's the difference in sports mode? Does the throttle just feel better?
Yeah, the throttle. Yeah, bro.
It just feels more sensitive.
Yeah,
innit?
the throttle's more sensitive, and the steering's a bit more like tougher.
Oh, so the steering like sharpens up.
Yeah, the steering will sharpen
Oh,
up and
okay.
shit, bro. I was watching better reviews and shit on it and stuff like that. Just saying like. Let's go, you know?
Nah, definitely. 100%. Right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. Actually, get me to 600 because I'm almost there. So if you subscribe, bro, get me. Fist pump me back, little air me.
Come on.
And yeah, bless up, man.